Looking for a blender that crushes ice, makes creamy smoothies, and powers through anything you throw at it? Stick around because today, we're counting down the top 5 best blenders of 2025 that deliver pro-level performance right in your kitchen. If you love smart home gadgets, kitchen tech, and product reviews that help you buy smarter, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss our next top 5 video. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 1. Ninja Blender. Kicking off our list is the Ninja Blender and Food Processor Combo SS401, a true multitasking powerhouse for smoothies, bowls, spreads, and shakes. Product info. Features 6 versatile functions with a 1200W motor. Includes a 72-ounce pitcher, 2-go cups, and food processor bowl. Built with total crushing and power blender technology for any texture. Comes in a sleek silver finish. Reviews say, users love its power and precision, noting it can crush ice in seconds and make nut butters or smoothie bowls effortlessly. Pros. Excellent for both drinks and food prep. Super powerful motor for heavy-duty blending. Includes multiple containers for different needs. Number 2. Ninja BL770. Next up, the Ninja Mega Kitchen System BL770, one of the most popular all-rounders in America. Product info. 1500W powerhouse motor. Includes a 72-ounce blender pitcher, 8-cup food processor, and 2 16-ounce 2-go cups. Total crushing technology handles ice, dough, and frozen fruit with ease. Reviews say, customers rave about its versatility and durability, with many calling it a kitchen beast that does the job of multiple appliances. Pros. Super high power and capacity. Great for large families or meal prep. Handles everything from smoothies to dough. Number 3. Breville Fresh Blender. The Breville Fresh and Furious BBL620 SIL, designed for smooth performance and quiet operation. Product info. High torque motor with auto-adjusting blade speeds. Pre-programmed smoothie and ice crush settings. Sleek silver design and LCD display. Assist lid for easy opening. Reviews say, users praise its smooth blending consistency, low noise level, and premium build quality, perfect for daily smoothie lovers. Pros. Quiet yet powerful performance. Easy to clean and stylish design. Preset programs make it beginner-friendly. Number 4. Vitamix Propel 750. Coming in strong at number 4, the Vitamix Propel Series 750 brings commercial-grade blending right to your kitchen countertop. Product info. 4 automatic blending programs for smoothies, soups, frozen desserts, and purees. Self-cleaning program just adds soap and water. Stainless steel blades in a 64-ounce BPA-free container. Variable speed control and pulse function. Reviews say, users love its unmatched consistency, calling it a lifelong investment that handles everything from hot soup to nut butter. Pros. Professional-grade performance. Self-cleaning convenience. Built to last for years. Number 5. Nutribullet Ultra Blender. And finally, for those who want power in a smaller package, the Nutribullet Ultra NB 50500 is your go-to personal blender. Product info. 1200W motor with precision stainless steel blades. 32-ounce cup ideal for single servings. Noise dampening base for quiet operation. Sleek, modern gray design. Reviews say, people love its fast blending, compact size, and easy cleanup, perfect for on-the-go smoothies. Pros. Compact yet high-powered. Quick, easy to use, and clean. Ideal for one-person households or travel. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. And there you have it, our top 5 best blenders of 2025. Whether you're meal prepping, blending smoothies, or creating soups and sauces, each of these blenders brings power, design, and durability you can count on. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more weekly gadget reviews. Thanks for watching and happy blending.